In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset or restore your Asus laptop, tablet, or desktop computer back to default settings and not keep anything. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, you want to select System. On the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says Recovery. And then there should be an option underneath Recovery Options. Reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select the Remove Everything option. Removes all of your personal files, apps, and settings. And then just let that proceed with the wizard here. And then it could take some time to run. I didn't mean to run that in my case, but in your case, just go ahead and let that run. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.